The press-on nails I will be designing I got from the app Temu, and here's the star of this video, the absolutely beautiful polish from Nail Reserves. It is so like the name being sapphire, it is like a gemstone. Other than seeing this Instagram video, I am pulling inspiration from Queen Erica. So the other color I will be using other than that beautiful sapphire blue is a light baby boy blue. Love these colors together. After I've applied them to the nails, I'm going to turn the nails over and let that gel even out. Then I'm going to cure it in the lamp. Then I repeated myself and did another coat. Can't help but leave all this footage in of me applying this beautiful gel polish. After I'm done applying and curing my base colors, I'm going to go ahead and grab some watercolor gel. I'm going to apply that to the light baby blue nails. Probably should apply it a little bit more. I am working with long nails. Then I'm going to take the sapphire and I'm just going to put a little dot of where I want the roses. Then I'm going to take some white gel polish and I'm just going to swirl that in the center of the blue gel. And because of the watercolor gel that I applied, it should give it a nice blooming effect. One thing about me doing this, I made the roses a little too small, so my camera does not want to pick them up, but they do look absolutely beautiful and intricate. But I feel my camera failed to pick up all the little lines, so I grabbed another nail and I tried to make the roses bigger so you could see them on camera. This is what they look like and I absolutely love them. I definitely suggest trying out watercolor gel and painting blooming roses because it's absolutely elegant and beautiful. Once you've gotten the rose to look like what you want it to look like, I suggest curing it because it will continue to change and look different. Because of the watercolor gel, it will just keep spreading. After I've cured my roses, I'm ready for some top coat, so I'm going to apply that to my nails. Then I'm going to turn my nails over and even out the gel. You probably didn't notice, but Slap's not even helping me in this video. Well then, who's helping me in holding these press-on nails? It is her twin sister, high five! Well, they look just alike. Well, except for the nails. If you would like to see Slap's manicure and what it is based on, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Love ya! Me out. See you in my next.